Good morning, students. Now we are going to 11.3 exercise. Nothing but trigonometry ratios and complementary angles. Already explained. What is the meaning of complementary angles? In right angle triangle, ABC, the angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Then what about angle A plus angle C is equal to, we can write 90 degrees. So these two are the complementary angles. So sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Similarly, cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Similarly, tan of 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Fourth one. Cot of 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Fifth one. Sec of 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Sixth one. Similarly, cosec of 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Cosec of 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. So these are the ratios and complementary angles. For example, what is the first one? Sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Let's prove this. Proof for this. Already we know in right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, if one angle is 90, one angle is 90 degrees. Remaining two angles are complementary angles. In right angle triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. According to sum of angles of triangles is equal to 180. By using that already a 90 completed. So angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degrees. If I took angle C is equal to theta, then what about A? 90 minus theta. What about A? 90 minus theta. Now, for example, I need the ratio of sin of 90 minus theta. I need the ratio of sin of 90 minus theta. So, through sin of 90 minus theta, through 90 minus theta, what is the opposite side? BC is the opposite side to 90 minus theta. BC is the opposite side to 90 minus theta. What is the formula? Sin of 90 minus theta is called opposite side to 90 minus theta by hypotenuse. By hypotenuse. Here, what is the opposite to 90 minus theta? BC. So, what we can write? BC by AC. BC by AC. Next, what I need? I need the ratio of cos theta. What is the formula of cos theta? Cos theta is nothing but adjacent side to angle theta by hypotenuse. Through theta, what is the opposite side? AB is the opposite side. Through theta, AB is the opposite side. Then what about adjacent side? BC is the adjacent side to angle theta. So cos theta is equal opposite side to angle theta by hypotenuse. Opposite side to angle theta by hypotenuse. What is the so cos theta is equal adjacent side to angle theta by hypotenuse. Where is the theta? Here is the theta. Through theta, opposite side is AB. Then what about adjacent side? BC. So what we can write? BC by AC. Clearly observe here. Sin of 90 minus theta is nothing but BC by AC. And also cos theta is equal to BC by AC. By comparing these two, what we can write? Sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Similarly, we can prove these complementary angles on trigonometric ratios. So, from the solution, from the proof, sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Trigonometric ratios are complementary angles. Here we have one side. I am taking here x-axis and y-axis. So now this plane divided into four parts. Divide into 4 parts. What about the first one? First one is angle between 0 degrees to 90 degrees. So first one we can write as 90 minus theta. It means here first quadrant angle starts from 0 and ends on 90. So the name of the first quadrant angle is 90 minus theta. Next to move to second quadrant. It is nothing but 180 degrees. So the name of the second quadrant we can take as 90 plus theta and also 180 minus theta. The angles in second quadrant 90 plus theta and 180 minus theta. Similarly, in third quadrant 180 plus theta and also 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta. In third quadrant it is nothing but 270 plus theta and also 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta. If I move to first quadrant once again, one complete rotation. One rotation is completed. So we can take as 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta. Here one name there to identify, to remember. Nothing but all silver T curves. All silver T curves. All means all trigonometric ratios. There are 6 ratios. There are 6 ratios. So in first quadrant it means the angle 90 minus theta 360 plus theta. All ratios are positive. So what we can get here? Plus sin theta, plus cos theta, plus tan theta, plus cot theta, plus secant theta, plus cosecant theta. So in first quadrant all are plus. Now move to second quadrant. What is the name here? Silver. Silver means what is the first letter? S. So in second quadrant sin is plus. Sin is plus. If sin is plus, what is the reciprocal of sin? Reciprocal of sin is nothing but cosec. If sin is plus, cosec theta is also plus. Remaining all ratios minus. Then what is the name of the third quadrant? T. T means tan theta. So in third quadrant tan is plus. Similarly cot is plus. Remaining all are negative. Now move to fourth quadrant. What is the name of the fourth quadrant? Curves. It means cos. In fourth quadrant, cos theta is positive. Remaining cos, if cos theta is positive, second theta is also positive. Why? Because cos theta is a reciprocal of second theta. So plus second theta. Remaining all are minus. For example, I need the value of sin of 90 minus theta. I need the value of sin of 90 minus theta. So 90 minus theta is a first quadrant. In first quadrant all are plus. So it is nothing but plus. Sin of 90 minus theta you can write as cos theta. How? In this class only I explain that how that sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So these are the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles and 180 plus theta, 180 minus theta. But in 10th class only we have the ratios on complementary angles, not more than that. So 10th friends, here some problems on from 11.3 exercise. Evaluate tan 36 by cot 54 degrees. First question. Tan 36 by cot 54 degrees. Tan 36 by cot 54. So clearly observe here. We can write 36 degrees plus 54 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. So 36 degrees and 54 degrees both are complementary angles. Here tan 36 I am writing as 90 minus 54. 36 I am writing as 90 minus 54. Why? Because 36 degrees and 54 degrees both are complementary angles. By cot 54 degrees. By cot 54 degrees. So what is the formula? We have one formula. What is it? Tan of 90 minus theta. Tan of 90 minus theta we can write as cot theta. Tan of 90 minus theta we can write as cot theta. By using that, tan of 90 minus 54 we can write as cot 54 degrees. By cot 54 degrees. So cot 54 and cot 54 both get cancelled. What is the answer here? Final answer is 1. Similarly, what about the second question? Cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. So here clearly observe 12 and 78. 12 degrees plus 78 degrees we can write as 90 degrees. So 12 degrees and 78 degrees both are complementary angles. Both are complementary angles. 12 degrees I am writing as cos of 90 minus 78. Cos of 90 minus 78 minus sin 78. Minus sin 78. So what is the formula here? Cos of 90 minus theta we can write as sin theta. Cos of 90 minus theta we can write as sin theta. By using that, cos of 90 minus 78 is nothing but sin 78 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Sin 78, sin 78 both are cancelled. So what is the answer here? 0 is the answer. What is the answer here? 0 is the answer. Here is third question. What is third question? Sin 15 degrees into sec 75 degrees. Already we discussed sin theta and secant theta. For example, sin theta is the reciprocal of secant theta and also secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Cos theta is the reciprocal of secant theta. Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So by using that formula, sin 15 degrees into secant 75 degrees we can write as 1 by cos 75 degrees. 1 by cos 75 degrees. So sin 15 degrees by cos 75 degrees. Here 15 degrees and 75 degrees both are complementary angles. Why? Because 15 plus 75 is equal to 90 degrees. So sin 15 I am writing as 90 minus 75 degrees. 15 I am writing as 90 minus 75 degrees by cos 75 degrees. So according to formula, sin of 90 minus theta we can write as cos theta. Sin of 90 minus theta we can write as cos theta. So it is nothing but cos 75 degrees by cos 75 degrees. Both get cancelled. So what is the answer? 1 is the answer. What about fourth question? Fourth question is secant 35 degrees by cosecant 55 degrees. Secant 35 degrees by cosecant 55 degrees. Here 35 degrees plus 55 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. 35 degrees plus 55 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. Both are which angles? Complementary angles. So here secant 35 degrees I am writing as 90 minus 55 degrees. 35 degrees I am writing as 90 minus 55 degrees by cosecant 55 degrees. So sec of 90 minus theta. Secant of 90 minus theta we can write as cosecant theta. We can write as cosecant theta. By using that, cosecant 55 degrees by cosecant 55 degrees. Both are get cancelled. So what is the answer? 1 is the answer. So here is the some questions on complementary angles of trigonometric ratios. Another question very important. If sin A is equal to cos B, if sin A is equal to cos B, then prove that if sin A is equal to cos B, then prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Proof. Here what is the given? Sin A is equal to cos B. Sin A is equal to cos B. So left side it is sin ratio. Right side it is cos ratio. Both are not equal. You may convert into sin ratios or cos ratios. According to formula, what we can write? Cos theta is equal to sin of 90 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to sin of 90 minus theta. So similarly, sin theta we can write as cos of 90 minus theta. So sin A I am writing as cos of 90 minus A. Sin A I am writing as cos of 90 minus A is equal to cos B is equal to cos B. Now observe here, left side cos ratio and also right side cos ratio. Both are equal ratios. So what we can write? 90 minus A is equal to B. By transporting A, 90 is equal to how much? A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. So A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Similarly, if tan 2A is equal to cot of A minus 18 degrees, tan 2A is equal to cot of A minus 18 degrees, where 2A is an acute angle. Then find the value of A. What is the question here? If tan 2A is equal to cot of 18 cot of A minus 18. If tan 2A is equal to cot of A minus 18, where 2A is an acute angle, find the value of A. See, solution. What is the given here? Tan 2A is equal to cot of A minus 18. Cot of A minus 18. Both are not equal ratios. But because left side is in tan, right side is in cot. So what we can write here? Cot theta is equal to tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta. Tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta. By using that, tan 2A I am writing as tan of 90 minus 2A. By using that, tan 2A I am writing as cot of 90 minus 2A is equal to cot of A minus 18. Both are the equal ratios. Both are the equal ratios. So finally, what is the answer? 90 minus 2A is equal to A minus 18. It means 90 plus 18 is equal to 3. 90 plus 18, 108 is equal to 3. Then A is equal to 108 by 3. It is nothing but A is equal to 16 degrees. A is equal to 16 degrees. Here, show that tan 48, tan 16, tan 42, tan 74 is equal to 1. Clearly observe here, 48 plus 48 degrees plus 42 degrees is equal to 90. 48 and 42 both are complementary angles. Similarly, 16 plus 74 is equal to 90 degrees. Both are complementary angles. So, tan 48 degrees I am writing as 90 minus 42 degrees. Tan 48 I am writing as 90 minus 42 degrees. Similarly, tan 16 and 74 both are complementary angles. 16 I am writing as tan of 90 minus 74. 16 I am writing as tan of 90 minus 74 into tan 42 into tan 74. Tan 42 into tan 74 degrees. So according to formula, tan of 90 minus theta we can write as cot theta. Tan of 90 minus theta we can write as cot theta. By using that, tan of 90 minus 42 is nothing but cot 42. Tan of 90 minus 74 is nothing but cot 74 degrees. Into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Already we know tan theta and cot theta both are reciprocal to each other. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, or cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, or cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. By using that, cot 42 we can write as 1 by tan 42 into cot 74 we can write as 1 by tan 74 into tan 42 into tan 74. Tan 74 cancel. Tan 42 cancel. So what is the answer here? 1 is the answer. Hence proved. Here one of the important question. If A comma B comma C are interior angles of triangle ABC, If A comma B comma C are interior angles of triangle ABC, then prove that if A comma B comma C are interior angles of triangle ABC, then prove that sin of B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. What is the question here? If A comma B comma C are interior angles of triangle ABC, then prove that sin of B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Solution. What is the given here? Given that A comma B comma C are interior angles of triangle ABC. According to triangles property, sum of interior angles of triangle is equal to 180 degrees. According to triangles property, sum of interior angles of triangle is equal to 180 degrees. By using that, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because A comma B comma C are interior angles of triangle ABC. I am writing A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because A comma B comma C are interior angles of triangle ABC. Here I am setting A that side. B plus C is equal to 180 degrees minus A. Dividing with 2. Dividing with 2 on both sides. What I am doing here? Dividing with 2 on both sides. So by dividing that, B plus C by 2 is equal to 180 minus A by 2. B plus C by 2 is equal to 180 minus A by 2. What we will get? B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 minus A by 2. B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 minus A by 2. I need sign. So apply sign on both sides. Taking sign ratio on both sides. What happens here? Sin of B plus C by 2 is equal to sin of 90 minus A by 2. Sin of 90 minus A by 2. According to ratios on complementary angles. According to ratios on complementary angles. Sin of 90 minus theta we can write as cos theta. Sin of 90 minus theta we can write as cos theta. By using that, sin of B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Cos A by 2. So students, here is another question on complementary angles from trigonometry. So that cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees is equal to 0. See, observe here, 36 plus 54. 36 plus 54 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. So here 36 degrees and 54 degrees both are complementary angles. See, cos 36 I am writing as 90 minus 54. 36 I am writing as 90 minus 54. Similarly, cos of 54 I am writing as 90 minus 36. 90 minus 36 minus sin 36 into sin 54. Cos of 90 minus theta we can write as sin theta. Cos of 90 minus theta we can write as sin theta. So cos of 90 minus 54 I am writing as sin 54. Cos of 90 minus 36 I am writing as sin 36 minus sin 36 into sin 54. Both are gets cancelled. So what is the answer here? 0 is the answer. Hence proved LHS is equal to RHS.